Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about essential oils. So this is just a basic introduction to essential oils. So many people want to know what essential oils are. Well, essential oils come from plants and they are the lifeblood of the plant. They are made through cold pressing the different parts of the plant, like the flowers, the stems, the bark, the resin. All the parts of the plants are used to make essential oils. So here are just a few oily facts for you that you might be interested in. They support every system in your body, which is super important. They are 100 to 10,000 times more powerful than dried herbs. Yep, that's correct. They even share several similarities with the human blood and cells. That is very important. They are fat soluble to easily absorb into your skin within seconds of using them. So here are just a few more oily facts for you. Essential oils are super small and they have super small molecules. So the super small molecules will actually penetrate your cell membranes faster and easier. It only takes about 22 seconds when oils are inhaled, when you actually smell them and inhale them, to reach your brain. That's right, only 22 seconds. Essential oils directly stimulate the brain's limbic system, which is the center of your emotional support, and they are essential for hormone production. So why Young Living, you might ask, because there's like so many different oils companies out there. Well, a good reason. They're the industry leader for over 20 years. They're 100% transparent process with their seed to seal guarantee, which is super important, seed to seal. They surpass the USDA organic standards. They have no adulterants, additives, or junk, and over 2 million members. So what is exactly seed to seal? It is very important. Seed to seal means that they choose optimal seeds for planting and they select those specially. They cultivate very particular with their cultivating. They distill with steam distillation using techniques which are ideal. They also use internal and third-party companies for testing. The seed to seal is super important. There are 3 ways to use essential oils, and there are 3 totally different ways. First, you can use them aromatically with diffusers, topically on your skin, and third is dietary supplements, like taking them internally. The first way you use them is aromatic. It's very important. what most people do is they diffuse oils, and it allows you to enjoy the smell as well as the health benefits of your essential oils. They are way safer than toxic candles or plug-ins. They can also be used to help repel insects, which is super helpful, and we use them for that a lot. They can improve cognitive function in your body. They will save you money for cleaning and all the candles and plug-ins and different things you use, and they're also great for elevating your mood. Essential oils can also be used topically. You can just drop them right onto your skin. You can put them in roller bottles and roll them on. And they're just absorbed straight into your skin, and they spread throughout your whole system. So for topically, you can just put the oils, apply them to your head, your neck, your temples. The bottom of your feet are one of our favorite places to use them topically. Oils can also be used as a dietary supplement. You can use them, we have a special line that is Vitality, and you can use it safely and confidently as you ingest oils. A great way to use them, the Vitality line, is to put them in recipes, in your drinks, or use them in veggie capsules also. Just to drink them in your water is excellent. I know one of my concerns with using essential oils before I got started was the safety of them, and essential oils are safe to use. When you use them properly, essential oils are so beneficial and very safe to use. Some precautions that you could take with the safety and using them properly would be like never get oils in your eyes or your ears. Those are just places you don't do. You don't use them on small children without carrier oil. When you're going to be putting essential oils in your water, you want to make sure to always use a glass or stainless steel cup and straw. That is important. So the way I got started, and that I recommend other people to get started, is to buy a premium starter kit and become a member. This is going to be your best bet. With the kit, you're going to get 11 full-size bottles, a diffuser, samples, all the education and support you need, and you're going to get 24% off all your products for life. Yes, it's like a membership, and that is awesome because everyone loves being able to get things for cheaper, right? One of the oils in the kit is Copaiba. It's great for fussy gums, a tummy tamer. It reduces injury and irritation, and it's a oil magnifier. So it will magnify any other oil that you pair it with. Also in the kit is peppermint. It helps with digestion, head tension, appetite suppressor, and it's just an encouraging and energizing oil. I love to use it when I'm going to be cleaning the house or working out. It really gets you moving. Lemon is one of my favorites. It is a body detoxifier. Get all the toxins out. It is also great for things like removing goo. It helps with your liver and gallbladder, and I love it in my water. It's also great for degreasing things, like if you cook with greasy things in your kitchen, or you kids put stickers on things, it will get it off. Digest is the go-to oil if you need relief in the intestinal area. It's a cleanser and a detoxifier, and it just supports overall wellness. It is definitely a needed oil, and I'm so glad that it came in the kit because it has been one of our favorites. Thieves is an oil that we use daily. It's a wellness booster, immune defender, an odor eliminator, and it just cleanses and purifies all the things. Like, everyone needs Thieves. We use it daily in our home for so many things. Panaway is an oil that when you use it, you're a believer. Like, it is nature's icy hot. It will relieve tension in any part of your body, achy muscles, bones, joints. If you pull something or you have something hurting, Panaway is your answer. I had neck surgery about 10 years ago, and it is my relief. Citrus Fresh is like happiness in a bottle. It promotes happiness, it makes the air clean, it detoxifies, it helps make you alert. It's just like happiness in a bottle, and it smells so good. Most people know lavender and knows that it helps you rest and sleep and calm you and just comfort you. But it's also good for springtime and for soothing. And this lavender is the real deal, okay? It's not got all the chemicals in it. It is healthy, yes. So you can use this one and feel good about it. So frankincense is like awesome for youthful, radiant skin, for grounding you and keeping you kind of centered, for fine lines and wrinkles, and my most important one is for concentration during Bible time. When I'm doing my Bible time, I love to use frankincense. It just helps me stay focused, and I don't let my mind wander while I'm trying to focus on God. Stress Away is awesome. If you're a mother, you need Stress Away. It helps lower your stress, helps you kind of unwind and reduce your tension, and just helps you relax before bed. So if you're having a stressful day, put on some Stress Away. The kit also comes with Ningxia Red samples, which are awesome for energy booster, your eye health, blood sugar stabilization, and it's an antioxidant. It's made from Ningxia wolfberries, and just do a little research on that. You will know then that you need this to take every day. So here is a list of what comes in the premium starter kit. All these oils come included in it. You also get the diffuser of your choice. There's a few to choose from. Then you're going to get the samples of the Ningxia Red and all these wonderful oils, like 11 oils. And if you're like me and you like to really live on a budget and save your pennies, the kit is the best way to go. Oh, and don't forget about the Thieves household cleaner sample that comes with it. You need this. It can take care of all the other cleaning things in your house, and it's toxic free. It's safe. So yes. So when you're ready to get started on your oily journey, join my group and my team. We have a lot of ladies that join together. We work together. We support each other in our oily journey, in learning and using the oils, and it's just a great community. So when you're ready to join, just contact me and I'll be happy to help you.